I am smart woke. The theory of everything is scientific. Science. The formula AC plus 2-1.5 X plus B proves that science is scientific. Without further ado, let's science. Science is the product of space-time. There are over 59 minutes in an hour, which is merely one segment of space-time calendar-based reality. The metric system of time is 10 kilograms per second. Time can be further defined as a compression of space, such that time is the constant which is exponentially correlated with the rate of spatial compression. Time density is thus a factor in determining the relativistic mechanisms behind inner and outer space.
But how can time be compressed without a causal link between spatial relativity and temporal distortion?
I'm glad you asked, local prostitute. It's because every indivisible moment of time has a unique, traceable heat signature. Heat is what is necessary for time to pass, and space is necessary for time's passage to have universal relevance. Effectively, space and time are synonymous. Heat and space cause a direct paradigm shift in time from static to dynamic. Temporal dynamics is the immediate result of primary and secondary spatial rifts, which cause an increase in amplitude throughout time junctures. This allows for the necessary juxtaposition of the spatial and temporal dimensions to manifest as distinct particles. I call them time chunks. Time chunks are especially important if you happen to live on Earth, where we have distinct day-night cycles and seasons. Our planet is directly responsible for our illusory perception of space and time as distinct concepts. The aforementioned chunks of time interact with the Earth's magnetosphere such that our consciousnesses inevitably perceive time as fixed and linear, instead of time's true nature as a malleable, dynamic and cyclical phenomenon.
But Jorj, even if time is cyclical and nonlinear, how is it practically applicable to our day-to-day lives as linear beings?
I'm glad you asked, Zubat. Time's paradoxical qualities are infinitely relevant to our linear existence through the laws of electromagnetic thermodynamics. Electromagnetic thermodynamics is formally defined as the dynamics of thermal electromagnetism. Analogically speaking, if time is an electrical circuit, then space is the current traveling between multiple electrical nodes. Thus, when fully electromagnetic thermodynamically charged, space-time functions as fuel for our brains and consciousnesses, both materially and energetically. When over 91% of human consciousnesses are simultaneously interconnected, and our non-corporeal energy bodies astrally project into the Earth's mesosphere, we are able to perceive time, and space-time as a whole, in its objective, cyclical, flexible form. In summation, the properties of space-time are accessible using the scientific method in combination with metamorphic experimentation type beat. Thanks for watching my big science. Jorj Science. Jorjism. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes of Jorj's Theory of Everything.